So we can plug an extension speaker into the earphone socket. Try and run it on auto switch. On second thoughts, I won't. Tango 21 ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. We have got a light for the display.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger.
There's a speech processor button, I'm going to press it.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Just passing the second passing place on the way to the end of the lane.
Roger, and now activated the speech processor, over.
Oh, Roger, for my benefit, not much difference if I'm honest.
Right, roger on that. Well, I'll run it to the top of the hill and then I'll run it normal from then on.
Have you got the speech processor on now?
Yes, Roger, I have.
I think it sounded better without, but other people may disagree with me. Right, we're past the end of the lane, we're on the main road.
Roger, Dodger.
This radio has a speech processor button, I'm going to press it.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, just passing the second passing place on the way to the end of the lane.
Roger, I've now activated the speech processor, over.
Oh, Roger, for my benefit, not much difference if I'm honest.
Right, roger on that. Well, I'll run it to the top of the hill and then I'll run it normal from then on.
Have you got the speech processor on now?
Yes, Roger, I have.
I think it sounded better without, but other people may disagree with me. Right, we're past the end of the lane, we're on the main road.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we're passing Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, diddly Dodger.
Right, we were almost square wheeled. Now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, getting through Lancaster Crossroads. Quite a lot of radio traffic today. I did notice when I was servicing this the conditions are up and there's some German belting through on CPT.
Roger that. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that.
Tango 20, I've got somebody on this channel. Can you get to channel 32, please?
Yep, Roger, will do.
21 is clearer.
Yep, Roger, go ahead.
That's fine.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner,
Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Intek H520 plus and portable. It's doing just over 3 watts. And they're from about 2014, and I'm talking to you on its 30 mic over.
Yeah, Roger, all sounds good. To be honest, I wouldn't have noticed it was a handheld. You know, I wouldn't have twigged anyway.
I'm taking all the speech processing off now to push back to standard.
Yeah, I prefer that if I'm honest. It's not quite as loud and it's less bassy, but I think it sounds better to me.
Yes, Roger on that, that's fine.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Intek H520 plus, and it's doing just over 3 watts, going 1.5 amps to do that. It doesn't have a low power set, but it does have a 100 milliwatt setting. It does have a 1 watt setting, but I don't see any point in going through all that. What I want to do is we'll go over to CCT, and I can do that from the front panel to CCT, but then I've got to flap around to do AM because it was made before we were allowed to use AM on these approved radios over.
Yeah, Roger, no problem. I'm receiving you alright on this anyway, so if you want to go over to CPT.
Yeah, we'll stay on channel 32, go over to CPT now.
Yep, Roger, will do. Yeah, I can hear you, but there's a lot of interference.
We're going to have to find another channel, one moment. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, can you go to 31?
Roger, back to 31.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, 31 CPT.
Tango 21, loud and clear, no problems.
I'm going to reprogram this and we're going to put it into Spain mode.
Yep, roger, I'll go with AM and wait.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21, yes, I hear you. Very noisy, but I hear you.
Go back to UK, channel 32.
UK 32, roger that.
Mr. Chippie on UK 32.
Yep, roger, receiving you loud and clear on UK 32. Incidentally, back on channel 31 on CPT was actually less noisy than it is on UK channels today.
Alright, but when we went on to 32, it was a right racket.
Yes, agreed, but when you found a clear channel, it was actually clearer.
Just goes out to show how it is. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Intek H520 Plus, and it's doing just over 3 watts, drawing 1.5 amps to do that. It doesn't have low power as such, but it does have a 100 milliwatt setting, and it does have a 1 watt setting, but I don't see any point in going through all that. What I want to do is we'll go over to CPT, and I can do that from the front panel to CPT, but then I've got to faff around to do AM because it was made before we were allowed to use AM on suitably equipped and approved radios over.
Yeah, Roger, no problem. I'm receiving you alright on this anyway. If you want to go over to CPT.
Yeah, we'll stay on channel 32, go over to CPT now.
Roger, we'll do.
Okay. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT FM. We're going to have to find another channel, one moment. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, can you go to 31?
Roger, back to 31.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, 31 CPT.
And 21, loud and clear, no problem.
Right, I'm going to reprogram it and we're going to put it into Spain mode.
Yep, Roger, I'll go with AM and wait.
Roger, Dodger. So, switch it off, switch it on, select E1, channel 32, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, yes, I hear you. Very noisy, but I hear you.
Roger on that. Go back to UK, channel 32.
UK 32, roger that.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on UK 32.
Roger, receiving loud and clear on UK 32. Incidentally, back on channel 31 on CPT was actually less noisy than it is on UK channels today.
Oh, right, but when we went on to 32, it was a right racket.
Yes, agreed, but when you found a clear channel, it was actually clearer.
Just goes out to show how it is. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, I can't use the auto as well because the transitions are so noisy.
Yeah, roger that. I'm getting away with it in this. it is breaking through now and again, but it's not too bad.
I've set it to 1.5 miles above that's what you do, and it's just not enough.
Roger.
Service manual says 21, which would be not enough.
No, there you go. But I mean, the auto squelch on this Thunderpole works great. You know, it's letting through really weak signals, but it's not letting noise through.
The auto squelch on this is just a preset squelch, there's nothing auto about it.
Alright, well there you go. It's not really auto squelch then, it's just preset squelch, like I say.
CS auto squelch.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roseby Level Crossing. Over.
And when you finish, I will switch back to 31 because I'll be doing a base station test. It'll be on 31 hours.
Yep, roger that. 142.9, 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that was an absolute treat, but it's well worth the effort.
Yep, agreed. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roseby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roseby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me, please? And when you've finished, I will switch back to 31 because I'll be doing a base station test, but it'll be on 31 over.
Yep, roger that. 142.9, 148.7.
Roger on that. Well, that was an absolute treat, so it was well worth the effort.
Yep, agreed. 10-10.
10-10. Right, well that worked an absolute treat. So, good. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like. It's a bit bassy on the external speaker. I think the speech tailoring is designed around the 1-inch speaker built into the radio. So, there you go. That's my take on that. So that's worked really, really nicely. We're going to go over to the base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Intek 520 Plus into our Midland 76900 base station using internal electret microphone on the hand portable itself. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From this customer we've got another Uniden 100 to do, but a newer model. Thanks for watching.